Hello and welcome to another screencast by Usoft Solutions on the Usoft Solutions U-School software. My name is Felix Fosu. In this screencast, we are going to look at our SMS module. Now, our SMS module is tailored to send SMS messages to parents or students depending on what has been selected under settings. Now, we can send a single SMS to any number across the globe. All you need to do is to enter the phone number in international standard. So for Ghana, it's 233. So I want to use our number 0246479428 and type any message that I want. So thank you for using the most effective school management system in Ghana. And then I can send my message. I can also have a bulk SMS messaging with various targets. So under the bulk SMS, we have targets for all parents. So once I select this, whatever message that I type, the system will automatically address the parent. So if a parent name is, let's say, Mr. Mr. Matthew Odonko, the system will address you by name and start with Dear Mr. Matthew Odonko. Then whatever message the school will type here will go with it. I can also decide to send to specific classes. So with this, I'll have the list of all the classes, and I only select the classes that I want to send the message to. That is, if I choose parents, it will go to the parent of students or words in this class only. Then I can also choose a particular student type. So maybe I want to send to only scholarship students and new admissions in KG. So when I select this, whatever message I type, only parents or students with this student type will receive the message. So on the bulk SMS, I have these dynamics to all parents, to only some selected classes, or maybe also to some selected student types. Then we also have the balance notification. Now, the balance notification tab is used when we want to inform parents of their outstanding fee obligations to the school, and then give them information on the expected payments. So for this one, we enter the amount of fee balance above which we want parents to be notified. So for instance, we want to send SMS to all parents who are owing above 50 Ghana cedis. That is 50 Ghana cedis inclusive and above. So here, the system will give you that message, will send the message to all parents who owe 50 cedis and above in the school. And the system will automatically come with a template which has the name of the ward and how much he owes. So the parent will receive it. So you have something like, Dear Mr. Menu, the outstanding fees for your ward. Then the name of your ward. Let's say Kofi Menu is so and so. Then the school can add any other information you want to add. So maybe please do well to pay by 1st June 2019. So whatever message that is typed here goes to add to that template and will be sent to the parents. That is why you don't have so much characters here, because here, whatever you add here will be appended to that message, which will read, Dear parent name, the outstanding fees balance for your ward, then the name of your ward is, then the fee outstanding balance. Then whatever message you have here will add to it. Now, the SMS, we know the issue of internet, so we don't need you connected to the internet throughout the day, because the system does not need internet to function fully. So what we do is that the SMS operates in an offline mode. So Once we are sending this message, if you want the SMS to go instantly, then you need to have internet connected. That is, the machine should have internet on it before the message will go. But otherwise, we have the SMS log. All messages that are generated are kept in a log. So we have the SMS log. So when I come here, for instance, and I choose 22nd, I'll see all the message types that were generated. So there were messages for fees payment. When I select fees payment, it gives me all the list of parents who paid fees. So all these 35 parents, this was the message that was generated for fees payment. If I want to resend any of them, I can select them and just hit on resend selected messages. Then the parent will receive these messages straight from here. So we do this for the purpose that you don't need to be connected to the internet throughout the day. So you could work for the whole day, then just in the evening or at end of day, you can send all your SMS at a blast, as a blast or at a go. So you only connect to your modem, you will see the messages generated. So you just select them and you just hit resend selected messages. And the system will send all the message at a go instead of having your internet connected throughout the day. We do this to save cost and also give you the ability to resend the same message any number of times that you would want. So if a parent complains of not receiving an SMS, you can come back. All you need is to remember the date or know the date. You can get the date from the fees payment or billing or whichever form of message it was, and you can resend the message at any point in time. So this is the SMS module. You can send a single SMS, bulk SMS for all parents from selected classes or selected student types, and also notify parents of their outstanding balances, which will be a personalized message with a template, which will automatically include their parent name, the outstanding balance of the word, and the name of the word. And you can also append any extra information you want to that message and will be delivered to the parent or the student, depending on the options and the settings. And also from the log, you can resend any sent message with any status, whether it is sent, whether it is pending to be sent, or of any other form. The only thing is when you are sending the SMS, you will need to have internet on the machine. That is all. Thank you for listening and watching this screencast. Have a great day.